Good afternoon, everyone. This is a trade update on an alert that I sent to this community just the other day on September 23rd to be looking out for NVIDIA to the downside. You can tell right here 125.33 was the price of NVIDIA when making that video, and we did dip exactly after that the next day. Now, the price of this only dropped about 2.5%, but I want to show you guys the option that we ended up playing. This ended up netting us $150 just by purchasing one contract, or 18.29%. So that was a great profit that we were able to take advantage of off of this sell signal here. If you guys haven't done so already, Sunday, tomorrow is the 25th. It's going to be the last day that we're going to have it for this price. All four of our indicators, typically $4.99. It is 70% off, only $149. You guys get access to our buy sell indicator, linear regression indicator, advanced dashboard, support and resistance, and also our Discord that comes completely free for life. And you guys remember, this is only a one-time thing. You get lifetime access and there's never any monthly service fees. So you guys, I want to go back over to this again and not only show you how many times we've been accurate in the past on NVIDIA. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are now 5 for 5 trades on NVIDIA off of these sell signals with massive profits in the market. And a lot of this has to do with this bottom dashboard indicator here. Now, I want you guys to do this. When you grab these indicators, save this video. I want you to look at these settings. Again, this is going to be the most 100% transparent YouTube channel you guys are ever going to find. I'm never going to cherry pick stocks. I'm going to show you specifically right now. You buy these indicators, put in these settings, these exact ones. This will load right onto your chart to be able to see these sell signals, linear regression, and also the bottom dashboard. It'll look exactly like this. Now, what I want you guys to do too is actually on watch for next week. Let's keep an eye out on NVIDIA to see if we can actually see a push even lower, because there's a possibility that we could test down into this bottom deviation level here, and it has a lot to do with this bottom dashboard indicator. So let's go over this real quick for everyone who's either trading with us already or if you're looking to purchase these right now. So this middle band is going to show you overall market momentum. So you can tell when this is red, this is going to show bearish market momentum. What's happening to the price? It's decreasing. So what you can tell yourself too is when this is red and you're into a sell signal, you just want to stay in that trade until the switches back over to green, and then you can get out of it because that's when it's going to go from bearish to bullish. You can tell right when this goes to green, the price is then increasing. But going back to right here on this trade, how we were able to make over 18% just in that single day, we had a few of our indicators all saying the same thing and pointing the same direction. To start off with, linear regression is saying bearish momentum because we're shifting down out of the market. Your white line money movement is shifting out as well. We're making a lower high. Middle band, bear market momentum, and we also had a red dot. These red and green dots are key EMA crossovers that are coded into this system to say to look for a further potential continuation in that specific direction. Now, when you have all these combined, that's when we like to get a sell signal and when we playing puts in the market going down. Now, what you guys can also do too is when you grab these indicators, when you're trading in a bearish momentum heading down, you want to do something as simple as color matching. Think of bear as red, bull as green. So if you're in a bearish momentum and you get into these top red sections here, if you go directly straight up, this is where you could be entering for puts. What happened right afterwards? A massive sell-off. Right here, sell-off. Another one right here, massive sell-off. Again, right here, and again over here on the side too. So that's how you guys are able to use these indicators in trade and make it very simple. Don't have all these EMA lines and everything looking like spaghetti on your charts. Get rid of that stuff. Make it very simple and add just these little indicators. There's 4 of these that come with Trenzy ATS, this advanced dashboard down here, the linear regression, of course, buy and sell indicators, and we also have a support and resistance indicator as well. So everyone, again, under inputs, if you go right at the bottom, you can enable support and resistance. What's good with this, let's go back over here real quick and actually take off the linear regression. This will tell you the exact swing highs and swing lows in the market, so then you know where to actually either take a position to for profit. So if we were to be bouncing up off of this, you want to be playing it to this line here because it's telling you this is the strongest level of resistance, so that's where you want to be taking profit. What I'm looking out for right now is if we end up breaking below this, there's not a lot of room. This could dive much quicker going into next week. So I want you guys just to keep an eye on that. I may do an updated video on NVIDIA, but right now we are basically sitting back at the same price, 125.08. I will keep that line right here. It's approximately exactly where it's at, 125.33 when I originally did the first video. But let's see how this plays out, because I do think if we can stay in this direction here, NVIDIA has a possibility to be heading lower even more next week. If you guys have any questions about this, my name is Justin. I am the founder of Trenzy Trades. And also on the Discord, I have Caleb, who actually helps me run that. We do trade callouts every single day that you guys can follow us. When I go back over here and show you guys inside, we end up doing a whole technical analysis on every single stock that we're looking at, and also giving you guys the exact strike price, expiration date, and everything that we're trading every single day. And we also go live in the Discord as well for all the people that like to follow along with our trades and start scalping the market. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please email me directly. TrenzyTrades@gmail.com is the best way to get a hold of me, or you can leave any comments below and I'll go and answer those as well. Have a great rest of your day. We'll see you guys next week.